Alright, so we're going to go ahead and remove this tub here. Replace the flooring. Just want to go ahead and give you the before. I'm going to build a wall right here and completely enclose this. All right, folks, Dave Schulke here with the Twin Home Experts. We just finished a pretty extensive tub to shower conversion. And I've got our lovely customer Joyce here. Would like to take a moment and express her experience.
Yes, it was really great. You guys did a wonderful job. Thank you very much.
Oh, thank you, Joyce. I appreciate it. You were awesome as well.
Thank you.
Well, there you have it, folks. Thank you.